toward evening. Suddenly the sky turned gray. The day, which had been bitter and chill, grew soft and still, quietly. From some invisible blossoming tree, millions of petals, cool and white, drifted and blew, lifted and flew, fell with the falling night.
The Eye of the Storm by Shane Whitling and Jacob Riley. It's the eye of the storm. It's watching us every time we move. The storm is going up the highway, down by the river, onto the lake, past the trees, into the forest, knocking down the trees, going to the town, destroying everything in its way. Where the children play, shaking my house, it's making me afraid. It's also scaring my maid. It's getting bigger and stronger. I think it's over. It's going away. Wait! It's not fading away. Evacuate the area! It's getting bigger and bigger and badder. It's leaving. Finally, it's gone.